In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a boomerang effect to your videos using CapCut. Whether you want to create that fun looping motion for your social media content or add a creative touch to your projects, this tutorial will guide you through every step of the way. Boomerang effects work best with short and smooth clips, and CapCut makes it easy to achieve this, even if you're new to video editing. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can download the app and sign up using the link in the description below. Now let's dive right in and get started. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Once you're in the project workspace, import the video you want to work with. You can do this by selecting your video from your device's storage and dragging it onto the timeline. This is where the magic happens, as the timeline is your editing canvas. Next, trim your video to isolate the specific part of the clip you want to loop. This step is essential because shorter, smoother clips create a more seamless boomerang effect. Take your time here and play the trimmed section multiple times to ensure the motion flows naturally. If it feels a bit off, you can adjust the start or end points until it looks just right. Now, select the trimmed clip on your timeline. The next step is to duplicate it. If you're on mobile, scroll through the bottom toolbar and tap the duplicate option on a PC. You can right-click the clip and choose copy and paste, or you can use the dedicated duplicate feature if it's available. Either way, the goal is to create an exact copy of your trimmed clip. Once you've duplicated the clip, drag the copy immediately after the original clip on your timeline. This positioning is crucial because it sets up the perfect loop sequence for the boomerang effect. With the duplicated clip in place, select it and apply the reverse effect. On mobile, you'll find the reverse option in the bottom toolbar. If you're on a PC, it might be located under the speed settings or in the right-click menu. Depending on your version of CapCut, the reverse function might appear in slightly different places. So, take a moment to explore your editing interface if you don't see it right away. Reversing the second clip is what creates that iconic back-and-forth motion. Once the reverse effect is applied, play the sequence from the beginning to check the flow. Watch closely to ensure the motion feels natural and seamless. If the loop feels jumpy or abrupt, you can fine-tune it by trimming a frame or two from either end of the clips. Alternatively, you might want to revisit your original trimmed section to select a smoother portion of the video. And for the final part, save your project and export the video. CapCut allows you to choose your export settings so you can pick the resolution and format that best suits your needs. Once exported, your boomerang effect is ready to share or use in your creative projects. And that's how you add a boomerang effect to your videos using CapCut. With just a few simple steps, you can create smooth looping sequences that are perfect for any occasion. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.